Wipe all the panels with a tack cloth. This will remove any dust and light debris, so when we adhere the panels to the wall, it has a good surface to stick to. Now it's time to apply the adhesive and caulk. Turn the panel over and apply a bead of Loctite PL 3X adhesive to the panel with a bead along the perimeter about 1 inch from the edge, and vertical lines in 4-inch increments along the interior of the panel. Now that we have the fingers cut off the first piece and it ripped to the proper height, as you can see, I installed my adhesive. We got everything clean and ready to go. I'm going to fit this up against the wall, making sure, always being conscious that we're on our level line. You want to twist slightly and apply pressure, twisting until you feel that adhesive grab. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put 1 screw every 12 inches along the top. You want to slightly recess the heads of these screws, but you don't want to over tighten them. That's important. Also want to get one around the edges. Again, you don't want to over tighten. You can see it'll bend the product back. So slightly recess it. Then we're going to go ahead and put 1 every foot along the length of the panel. And once we get inside of the stone itself, I like to put the screws up underneath if you can, so it kind of hides it. If you can get it up underneath the stone texture, that'll make it easier to hide later on when we're filling it with the caulk. Slightly recess the head of that screw, and then we're going to come back and we're going to fill all these holes with caulk and color match touch-up paint. Next, add adhesive to the lip of the panel about 1 inch from the face, and also apply a bead of textured caulk where the face meets the panel. Caulk must be added during this step, but all the remaining panels in the course very tightly together while following the level line. There it is, our first course is installed to the right height to give us a full panel. We can go ahead and start installing the second course. For multiple rows, you want to start the next row directly above the first panel, but taking care to offset these seams. The panels are designed to butt up and create a shiplap joint. Before installing the panel on the next row, you want to apply adhesive to the top lip of the panel below. For more detailed instructions or information about these panels or any of the other great products from Barron Designs, check out their website at barrondesigns.com.